Welcome to my YouTube channel, Epicyarngems. I have been crocheting for quite a while, but I am no means an expert. I do it as a hobby, and I find it very relaxing. Some members of my family have their own YouTube channels, Plot's Voice and Mr. Alter. They have encouraged me to start a how-to channel to share my love of crochet. I thought I would start with some foundation stitches and move on to projects. If you're interested in seeing some of the projects I have been working on, go to my Pinterest page with the same name, Epicyarngems. So today we're going to start with a simple foundation chain. To start a foundation chain, you're going to start with a slip knot. Many people have different ways of tying slip knots. This is mine. You put it over a loop, you pull another loop through the first loop that you made, and you stick your hook through that loop. You pull tight, and you can adjust by simply holding the back yarn and pulling the front yarn. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start making our chain, and the abbreviation for this in patterns is CH, and then the number after it will give you the number of chain links that you're going to need to make. So to start, you're going to yarn over, and then you're going to pull that through your slip knot. For your second, you're going to yarn over again and pull that through your first chain. As you can see, I'm holding the yarn with my thumb and middle finger, the tail of it, and the other piece of the yarn that's attached to the ball goes over my pointer finger. So again, you're going to yarn over, pull the hook and the yarn through the chain, and you're going to do that until you get to the number that you need for your foundation. I hold my work with my thumb and middle finger, and this allows my work to stay taut and also to allow for my chain to be straight. But as you are working with your crochet projects, you will learn what's comfortable for you. The next thing I'd like to show you is a variation on the chain. This is something that I learned from another YouTuber on how to create a chain for a headband. So again, we're going to start with our simple slip knot, in which you loop over. You take the top yarn and pull it through the center of the loop, put it on your hook, and tighten. So this is very similar to the start of the other chain, where you're going to loop your yarn over your hook, and then you are going to pull that through your slip knot. Again, you are going to loop over and pull through your chain. As you continue to do this, for a typical headband, I would do 10 chains. When I get to my 10th chain, there's a little trick here. So what you're going to do at this point is you are going to actually remove your hook from your chain, and when you do that, you leave your loop still there, but you go back to the start of your foundation chain, and you're going to put your hook through your first chain. Once you do that, what you're going to do next is you're going to go back to the loop that you had left at the end of your chain, and then you are just going to continue similar to what you did to get to the length that you need for your headband. By doing this little trick, what it does is it allows for the chain to actually lie flat and not to be twisted when you make a headband. So once you finish your chain length, what you're going to do is you can see that it is actually lying flat, and it will make a nice circle. And then how to finish your headband off, or the chain that's in a circle, is you're going to yarn over and pull through the last chain you made and the first chain. My yarn split a little bit here, but you got the idea. Thank you for joining me at Epicyarngems.